हेलो जी, इट्स मी ताहिर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लास्ट वीडियो पे इतना प्यार देने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। बट इन लाइक लास्ट वीडियो, दिस वीडियो इज़ नॉट अबाउट इमोशनल बातें, बट दिस वीडियो इज़ अबाउट showing my life in Germany, and to be specific, showing my university in Germany. As you know from the last video, I'm doing my master's in human geography from Johannes Gutenberg University. And before I got here, I used to find information or videos about this place, about this university, but I couldn't find any. So I thought when I will come here, I'll make videos for others. So here I am. This is my university. वैसे तो ये जगह की फ़ोटोज़ आपको इंटरनेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेगी बिकॉज दिस इज़ द मेन एंट्रेंस। और वैसे तो यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी है, तो मैंने खुद भी इसका कुछ शायद 10% एक्सप्लोर किया होगा। तो आज मैं और आप इसको साथ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। सो लेट्स गो। तो मेरे पीछे बस और ट्राम्स के स्टॉप है, तो आप पूरे शहर में कहीं भी जगह से आप यूनिवर्सिटी तक आ सकते हैं। एंड ओवर हेयर इज़ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी। और खैर दिस इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, और हम यहाँ से जाएंगे अंदर। So the university is named after Johannes Gutenberg, who invented the first modern printing press, and I believe that it was his invention which was a key contribution which led Europe from the dark medieval ages to the Renaissance ages and ultimately to the modernization of Europe. एंड मैंने इसके बारे में जो है वो अपने बैचलर्स के सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ा था, एंड उस वक्त आई वुड नॉट हैव इवन थॉट अबाउट दैट 4 years later I will be studying in this university named after him. So that's life. In audio. So this is the Netfach Gebäude, which means the building for geography department, and this is where मेरी classes होती है, and especially on the 4th floor and on the 7th floor, and sometimes at the very top, जहाँ से view is absolutely amazing. You know, it's beautiful. Here, moving on, because this university is so huge and there are so many cafeterias. There are also restaurants, like this one is Diwan restaurant. It has halal food, so that's also great. But yes, talking about the cafeterias, this university has a lot of cafeterias, but I'm going to take you to the Zentrale Mensa, which means the central cafeteria. So let's go, let's show you that. In audio. This behind me is the Zentrale Mensa, the central cafeteria, and my friends have told me that they have like really good food and it's also in a really good price. But अभी तक मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ खाया नहीं है, तो मैं आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से नहीं बता सकता. But yeah, this is a huge place. I have been inside and it's like way too big. Unique fact, these are the bikes from Mainz Mobilität, which is the local Mainz transport company, and you can rent out these bikes. It is free for students for the first 30 minutes. So I have used these a lot of times. You can just scan the barcode, you can just take the bike out and then you can drop it at another station, like maybe when you're running late for the class you can take these. But I have my Jupiter over here. खैर जुपिटर की कहानी आपको किसी और दिन सुनाएंगे, बट दीज आर गुड. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी इतनी खाली क्यों है, बच्चे कहाँ हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है भाई. देयर आर ऑलमोस्ट 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स स्टडीइंग इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड आज संडे है तो इस वजह से आपको रश नहीं नज़र आ रहा. बट यूजुअली देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर एंड देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ व्हाट वी से हलचल. So there is a lot of हलचल over here, like on the weekdays, but आज संडे है तो इस वजह से सन्नाटा है. The amazing part is that the whole university is accessible for normal people. You don't need to be a student in order to come here. कोई आपसे सुबह जो है वो 8 बजे आपका ID कार्ड नहीं चेक कर रहा, एंड इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी तक किसी को अपना ID कार्ड नहीं दिखाया है यहाँ पे. And it's just beautiful, you see people walking around over here, you see people cycling over here, and it's just like a public space for them, and these people enjoy it. cherish it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So भाई बारिश बढ़ती जा रही है और आपको मेरे चश्मे से नज़र आ ही रहा होगा एंड मे बी आवाज़ से भी. बट बिफोर दिस वीडियो एंड्स आई हैव टू शो यू few more spots. One of them is the Botanischer Garden, or we say the Botanical Garden. बारिश तेज़ हो रही है. Let's find a shade. That is good. बाइक को हमने यहाँ पे लॉक पे लगा दिया एंड here it is, the Botanischer Garden or the Botanical Garden. So here is the Botanical Garden. अभी विंटर्स चल रहे हैं तो इस वजह से ये जगह इतनी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत नहीं लग रही, बट आई एम श्योर कि समर्स में दिस प्लेस वुड बी लाइक 100 times मच मोर ब्यूटीफुल. तो मे बी आपको समर्स में इसका पूरा टूर देंगे. So behind me is the Mensa Rewe. Mensa is again another cafeteria, but what is special about this one is that हर Wednesday 6 बजे यहाँ पे Sprach Cafe होता है. What is Sprach Cafe? Sprach Cafe means speaking cafe. So basically there are tables for dedicated languages, और आपको जो भी language सीखनी हो आप उस table पे जाकर बैठ जाओ and you talk with the people in that language. For example, you are new in Germany and you want to practice your German, so you'll go and sit at the German table and then you will speak to the people around in that language, and mostly वो लोग भी आपके level के ही होते हैं. So it's a very good way to practice your German and practice your language. Or maybe in other case, if you want, you can go make friends by sitting at the English table, or like in your language, Turkish, Korean, whatever you want. So I've been to the Sprach Cafe 3 times now and I have made so many new friends. I have met so many new people and it is just an amazing experience. Not just to practice my German, but also to meet new people. Coming to the sports department, the university has like a lot of facilities, indoor gym, outdoor gym. Outdoor gym काम चलाने वाला ही है, पीछे आप देख सकते होंगे मेरे, but they have like everything. And what is amazing is they have like so many grounds. Like let me show you one of them. Here it is. This is one of the many grounds that the university has, and this one is also open for everyone. And like, you know, the people are jogging right now, they are walking, they are, you know, doing their sports, and it is just beautiful. Again, like मैं हर चीज़ को beautiful बोलता हूँ, but it is actually beautiful. Here, as I belong to media and communications, I am always open to helping people who are from media and communication department who wants to do masters or bachelors over here in media or even in another field, especially media, because I know that it is very difficult. You get very less information on internet, so I will be more than happy to help you. So if you need any help, contact me on my Instagram, and थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा मुझे जवाब देने में, but I surely will get back to you and try to help you as much as I can. So yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. So with that said, I hope you like the video, and I also hope that you like my haircut. 15 euros दिए हैं कल, and yeah, I hope that it looks good. I think it looks good. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.